Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for end of February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Aquarius, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aquarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for end of February 2021. Let's see what we have on your journey here, Aquarius. Also, please note here, Aquarius, that this is a general collective energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please kindly check your moon, your rising and your Venus sign, as this is a collective general energy reading. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into the sign first here, Aquarius. The sign that I'm getting for you here, Aquarius, I'm getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. I'm getting a very strong Cancer energy, so water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. As well as Capricorn energy, so earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. On this side here, Aquarius, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at your energy here, Aquarius, I've got the Judgment card coming up here. I've got the Four of Pentacles, and then I've got the Devil energy coming up here as well. So it's quite interesting with this Judgment and the Devil energy coming up all together in your reading. I'm getting that a very strong the end of a karmic situation or the end of a karmic contract is actually happening in your life, I would say here, Aquarius, because with this devil energy here, I'm getting like a very strong deception and manipulation and like being in feeling like being controlled, I would say here, Aquarius. So I feel like you might be stuck in a certain situation, or you might be stuck in a certain karmic pattern or karmic situation here, where you might feel within yourself that you are feeling trapped, where you might feel within yourself that like there is no way out from this particular situation. So with this Judgment card coming up here, a very strong divine intervention is actually happening in your life here, Aquarius, which is actually what is going to bring you out of this karmic situation, bring you out of this deception and manipulation, any third party situation or karmic situation, that karmic partner that you're currently stuck in, I would say here. And then I've also got the Four of Pentacles coming up here. I feel like at this point of time, the most important thing that you need to pay attention to here, Aquarius, is that because of all of this deception and manipulation, because I'm getting like a very strong I won't say toxic energy, but it's like feeling stuck and feeling trapped within yourself and within your emotions. So I feel like you have been in this particular position for a very long time here, Aquarius, that you just like does not know how to express yourself again, how to communicate, and like even like how to express your emotion in a positive way. So you kind of like in this particular situation where you are just like closing yourself up, I would say here, Aquarius. So with this Four of Pentacles energy, this is basically like talking about for you to communicate, for you to just let out all of this pain and all of this emotion that you've been putting inside yourself here, Aquarius, and letting out, basically like communicating your energy, communicating like in terms of verbal communication as well as in terms of expressing your emotion, I would say here, Aquarius. So what I would suggest you at this point of time here is that to focus on your throat chakra. So you can do some guided meditation on your throat chakra just to release all of this negative energy, or just to release all of this toxic and feeling trap energy coming up from your communication here, Aquarius. And then I've also got the Chariot energy coming up for you here. So this is basically talking about moving forward. So this is what I mean. You are going to get a huge divine intervention coming up into your life, where you're finally going to move out of this karmic situation, where you're finally going to taking a break, I would say here, from all of this deception and manipulation that you have been stuck for years, I would say here, Aquarius. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the King of Swords energy coming up here, and then I've got the Three of Pentacles coming up here as well. I'm getting a very strong third party situation at this point of time from your person here, Aquarius. But when I mean like this third party situation, this does not necessarily mean like being involved with someone else, which some of you here could still, your person could still be involved with someone else, but the main energy that I'm getting from your person here, Aquarius, is that making peace, a very strong making peace energy. So I feel like for those of you who are currently stuck in a karmic situation, or your person who are currently stuck in a karmic situation, I feel like they are starting to negotiate to get out of this situation. Some of them here have been trying to negotiate a divorce. Some of them here have been trying to negotiate a separation, I would say here. So like dividing the asset, going through the child support, child custody issue, like all of those stuff. Because with this Three of Pentacles here, and then I've also got the friends and colleagues energy as the overall energy, and the Seven of Pentacles coming up here as your person energy overall here, Aquarius. I feel like at this point of time, they are definitely like trying to maintain balance within themselves. Like they are trying to work on themselves, like trying to find a solution out of the issue within themselves, and especially like this issue here is actually involving the third party situation, or involving the karmic situation that they're currently stuck with here. So it's kind of like they are negotiating, and they're like trying to find a solution of their problems with the karmic situation here, Aquarius. And what is it that they want to get, like what kind of solution do they want to get to get out of this mess, I would say. I've got Ten of Cups energy coming up for your person. So what they do want here is that to actually have a new beginning with you, I would say here, Aquarius, to finally break free from all of this negative energy, to finally break free from all of this toxic energy within their life, within themselves at this point of time, to come towards you and having the family that they deserve, having that happy ending that they deserve, I would say here. The wish fulfillment, happy home, happy family, happy relationship with this Ten of Cups energy. And I do feel like at this point of time, some of you here, there is no communication has been happening between both of you. And what I'm getting for you here, Aquarius, is that I'm getting like a very strong anxiety, and that very strong of missing your person energy, I would say here, especially with the Mercury retrograde and the new moon energy that has been quite intense here. You're kind of like a little bit of vulnerable, I would say here, Aquarius, where you are mirroring your person heavily here. And then the energy for both of you here as the overall, I've got travel. So for those of you who are Aquarius, I'm getting like a very, very strong distance energy, where you and your person could be currently staying in a different state or in a different city here. Like there is a very huge distance between both of you. So with this travel energy coming up here, this is basically meaning like literally coming to travel towards you here, Aquarius. So if either you are currently in a different state or in a different city, they're going to come towards you, and they're basically like going to approach you. That kind of energy is what I'm getting here. So this is also talking about a face-to-face meeting. And look at this with this Chariot energy coming up here as well. So it's like they are literally moving, or they're literally coming to see you, or they're literally coming to see you, and they're literally coming to make peace with you and be together with you here, Aquarius. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.